If you're looking for a rugged smartphone that looks like it could survive almost anything, you've probably come across two of Doogee's most eye-catching devices, the Doogee V50 Pro and the Doogee S300 Plus. On paper, these phones have a lot in common. In fact, they share much of the same hardware, the same ultra-rugged design philosophy, and a massive battery built to keep you away from the charger for days at a time. But there are some important differences that could make one a much better choice for you than the other. What's interesting is that the decision isn't really about performance or camera quality. Instead, it comes down to how you plan to use your phone. One model focuses on unique features and a more distinctive user experience, while the other takes a more practical approach, delivering nearly the same overall package in a way that feels more balanced and efficient. So, which one actually deserves your money? Let's find out. final decision is actually simpler than it might seem. If you're attracted to the secondary display, enjoy experimenting with unique features, and appreciate having a more advanced night vision system, then the Doogee V50 Pro is the more interesting option. It's the more distinctive device of the two and offers a more exclusive experience within Doogee's lineup. However, for most people, the Doogee S300 Plus is probably the smarter buy. It delivers virtually the same performance, the same rugged durability, excellent battery life, and very similar camera capability. At the same time, it offers significantly faster charging and focuses its resources on features that you'll actually use every day. If your goal is to get the best overall value without sacrificing the core rugged phone experience, the S300 Plus is likely the better choice. But if you want something a little more unique and feature-packed, the V50 Pro may be worth the extra attention.